We have two solutions to remove the virus: automatic removal and manual removal. I will show you automatic removal first. We will use a professional anti-malware software to scan PC and then remove all the virus and malware detected. Let's begin. Open the video. Click the link and video description and you will get a page. Now you can download Spy Hunter here and run the installer. Now you need to follow its steps to install Spy Hunter file. Select language and continue and accept and install. Just wait about 1 or 2 minutes. When you finish, start a scan now. It will help you find out all malicious files and malware on your computer. When the scan complete, click Next. The one-time fix will need you to wait 48 hours. If you want to remove all the detected malware now, you should choose Free Trial. It will solve all your problems. Next, I will show you the manual removal. The process might require advanced computer skills. If you are not familiar with it, please choose the automatic removal. Let's begin. First, we need to end the malicious process to run the malware. Now hit the 3 keys at the same time. Then Task Manager will open. Now you need to find out the dangerous process and then end the task. For example, you select one process and click here. Next, we need to uninstall malicious programs. Please hit Windows key and R key at the same time. Now you can see a wrong window come out. You need to input Control Panel and click OK. And then click Uninstall a program. Now find out the dangerous program or suspicious programs and select it and click Uninstall. Next, we need to delete suspicious browser extension installed by malware. First, on Google Chrome, click the menu button, select More Tools, and click Extensions. Now find out the suspicious or dangerous extension and click Remove. On Firefox, click Menu button. Now click here. And also you need to find out and remove the suspicious extensions. Click here and click Remove. On Microsoft Edge browser, click the menu button. Now right click on Extension and click Manage Extension. Now delete all the suspicious or unwanted extension. Click Remove. Next, we need to remove malicious files created by malware. Hit Windows key and R key at the same time. In the Run box, input regedit and click OK. Now select the Edit menu and click Find. If you know the name of the malware, input for example, and click Find Next. Let's wait. Okay, now we have found some files from the malware. Right click on the folder and click Delete. If you are going to delete any files in the registry editor, please make sure that the files are from malware. If you delete the wrong file, your computer will be damaged. To avoid the risk, we recommend that you should use a professional anti-malware software to scan your computer and find out all the malicious files. If you want to scan your computer with anti-malware software, you can try the SpyHunter 5 anti-malware from our website, easysolvemalware.com. SpyHunter 5 is one of the most professional anti-malware. Download it here. The final step is to reset web browsers. On Google Chrome, click Menu, click Settings, Input, Reset. Click here and click Reset Settings. On Firefox, click Menu, click Help, click here. Now click Refresh Firefox and click here. On Microsoft Edge, click Menu and Settings and Input, Reset. Click here and click Reset. That's all. Thank you for watching the video from easysolvemalware.com. We hope it solves your problem.